Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered one of the best women's steel toe work boots available on the market, the Blapek steel toe work boots for women. If you're searching for reliable, comfortable, and durable work boots designed specifically with women in mind, this might just be the perfect fit for you. The Blapek steel toe work boots combine safety, comfort, and style, making them a great choice for women working in demanding environments. These boots feature a steel toe cap and an anti-puncture midsole that meet the American standard ASTM requirements, ensuring your feet are well protected from heavy falling objects and sharp materials. What's impressive is the inclusion of a lightweight Kevlar midsole, which adds excellent protection without weighing you down. Aside from safety, these boots are built to handle tough working conditions. The outsole is slip-resistant, oil-resistant, and abrasion-resistant, giving you the confidence to move around even on slippery surfaces without worrying about accidents. This feature is especially important for anyone working in construction, manufacturing, or any physically demanding job where the floor conditions can vary. Comfort is a key focus in these boots. The boots are insulated, providing warmth and protection in colder environments. Despite the heavy-duty construction, they maintain a lightweight design, which helps reduce fatigue when you're on your feet for long shifts. The lace-up closure allows for a secure fit, giving you added stability and support throughout the day. The outer material is made from leather, which offers durability and a polished look. It is also water-resistant, keeping your feet dry during wet or damp conditions, which adds to the overall versatility of these boots. In terms of sizing, the boots come in a range from 6.5 to 11, catering to various foot sizes. The black-pink colorway adds a subtle feminine touch without compromising the professional and rugged appearance of the boots. Weighing just about 2.27 pounds, these boots pack a lot of features while remaining light enough for daily use. The sole is made of rubber, which complements the slip-resistant capabilities and adds to the overall durability. Whether you work in construction, manufacturing, or any other industrial environment where foot safety is a priority, the Blapek steel toe work boots provide a great combination of protection, comfort, and style tailored for women. With their ASTM-approved safety features and practical design elements, these boots stand out as an excellent choice for anyone in need of dependable work footwear. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in a pair of boots that deliver on safety, comfort, and durability, the Blapek steel toe work boots for women are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product insights.